What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing part 2 of the trail, but we missed part 3. We missed part 2. So we're doing part 3 today. We got Ben in front doing wheelies, looking sexy as fuck. Brandon's over there doing whatever he wants. I'll catch you once we're in the trail. Go watch another video. My last few videos have not done the best. Oh fuck, this is so risky trying to put my helmet on. I got it. But yeah. Alright, you can see the jump kinda.
What's the password?
What was the password? Oh dude, it smells so nice in here. I'll put the bike over at the bike store. Bars right through the gap. Oh, got my helmet. Actually, it's a really shitty angle. Alright. So make sure you stay far away from the camera. So there's actually a lot bigger of a ditch now. Like it's actually like a drop down.
Okay.
And then this is a lip.
Jump.
So much bigger than last time. I know how much you can see, but
It's filming as well.
and there's Brandon.
This is our progress for the last video.
The back still looks so fucked, but aside from that, did all this. I'll go take you up to the top of the trail. While Brandon talks down here. So this is all cleared out. This is all me. This is all cleared out. I don't know how good this looks. I haven't fucking made a vlogging on camera angle yet, so this is still my riding one, so it'll be like really ultra wide. Hopefully it looks sick. So this is all cleared out. Me and Ben in part 2, well I'm gonna call it part 2, they didn't see, we've actually started to like expand this all out. So much better. And then, yep. Alright. I'll probably hit you up on the time lapse. I'll put you on to the time lapse and then you can see more progress because I don't know what's actually to go today, but fucking hell. Starting in time lapse.
We really need to sculpt this.
Oh fuck, that sprained my fucking wrist.
but like.
Oh yeah, yeah. Because all this is literally just loose.
Oops.
What should we name it? What should we name it?
Oh, it's like the size of a head.
So I'm getting
See
camera
it?
there, Brendan. That'll go in that.
Okay, so from my angle here, we need.
maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be voting. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga, start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and no gun of us. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up.
I know it's pretty big, but if you think about the bomb hole tree, it's pretty big. But anyway, the next clip will probably cut to it'll probably cut to. I'm gonna. It'll be like a riding clip. Ben's putting the shovels away for us, or I hope maybe. Are you putting the shovels away for us?
Like genuinely, who's gonna send it first?
I mean, if it's decent, I'll send it.
If it's decent, we'll all send it at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, that's probably a bad house.
You still got plenty of batteries, don't you?
Huh?
Still got batteries, don't you?
One that it might be dead.
Alright. No, you have to cover it. You have to cover it. You have to cover it. Okay. I'll get you once we're riding.
Put your head down as well.
I'll get you once we're riding. Once we're riding. I don't know if you can see, but I'm like, shoes are cooked. These are scoot shoes too, so that's not too good. Shifting's fucked. I don't know what the boys are doing. Oh, they're cleaning their shoes off. What a good idea.
What'd you try and do?
He went over the back. Huh? He went over the back.
Yeah, I know, but like...
Alright, we back. Brandon's got his wallet doing a wheelie. Going to Mount Sketchy now, so holy fuck, I already felt my back end drift out. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, Ben's already dipped and left me. Oh my god, I thought I ate it just then. Holy fuck. Oh, these rocks are not gonna be fun. Mars bar. Brandon shouted us. Oh shit! Oh, he goes off the short side. Oh my days. Where are I forgot to press record.
Oh, I forgot to record. No, that was too slow.
I think that was about... Fucking hell. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, go Ben.
Oh, the tree!
Yeah. Oh my god, that was such a shitty throw. Fucking hell. Abraham Bonds.
This is so fucking mad.
I got.
Oh fuck. We're closest to each other. Fucking hell. Alright, that's gonna wrap up today's afternoon of shredding with Brandon and Ben.
How'd you manage?
Gonna wrap it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Woo!